begin with what's happening in maximum city Mumbai, where heavy rainfall in several parts of the city have resulted in waterlogging in low-lying areas. Now, Harbour Line, Central Line have been completely affected due to the waterlogging. Meanwhile, the Met Department has predicted further heavy downpours in the state during the next 3 to 4 days. The commute in Mumbai was disrupted following the waterlogging triggered by the heavy rainfall, and several areas of the city have submerged in the water after the downpour.
सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा बीएमसी का बजट 50,000 करोड़। जी हाँ, बिल्कुल सही सुना हमने, 50,000 करोड़ का बजट है बीएमसी का, सिर्फ मुंबई शहर का। और इस बीएमसी के बजट का 50,000 करोड़ का नजारा देखिए। ये जो नजारा है वो किसी नदी, नहर, समंदर का बिल्कुल नहीं दिख रहा है, लेकिन वैसा ही दिख रहा है और उससे ज्यादा खतरनाक दिख रहा है। ये नजारा है मुंबई के अंधेरी सबवे का। ये वो सबवे है जो सबर्बन को ईस्ट से वेस्ट जोड़ता है। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सबवे है जो ईस्ट से वेस्ट जोड़ता है। लेकिन इस सबवे के देखिए पानी का प्रेशर देखिए, अगर मैं आपको अपने कैमरामैन अर्जुन को बोलूं दिखाएगा, पानी का प्रेशर देखिए कितना तेज है। और इसी प्रेशर के तहत से देखिए वो सबवे जा रहे हैं पानी में, ऊपर लोकल ट्रेन चल रही है। और ये सबवे बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है मुंबई सबर्बन के लिए, क्योंकि ये जो ईस्ट वेस्ट का जो इलाका है वो कनेक्ट करता है। लेकिन भारी बारिश की वजह से पूरा का पूरा सबवे को बंद कर दिया गया है। आसपास के इलाके हैं वो भी पुलिस से बंद कर दिए गए हैं। दूसरी तरफ की तस्वीरें दिखाऊंगा। देखिए लोगों को कितनी मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है, क्योंकि ऑफिस का टाइम होते जा रहा है। महिलाएं हो, पुरुष हो, मुंबई में ऐसा होता है कि आप ऑफिस नहीं छोड़ सकते, आपको किसी भी तरीके से जाना पड़ेगा।
Since yesterday night, it's raining heavily in various parts of Mumbai, and IMD department has also alerted the alert in Mumbai, and you can see the water logging behind me. There is water logging in various railway tracks of the Central Railway like Kalyan, Badlapur, and even in Khula and Bandu. So now the Central Railway is totally affected by the rain. Besides this, Western Railway is running, but the trains are very slow. Due to the rain, outbound railway train is also affected in Mumbai, and currently the various schools and colleges has decided to close the institution because of the heavy rain. And you can see the knee level water behind me, and there is a NDRF has also deployed his various teams across in Mumbai in area like Kurla, Bhandu, Vikhroli and in Sion, and entire Andheri subway is closed due to the submerged into the water.
क्या कहा जा रहा है, क्या ट्रेन आ रही है?
कोई ट्रेन नहीं, कोई भरोसा नहीं, खाली लेट है रोज के माफी कोई लेट है बोल रहे हैं, और कोई समझ में नहीं आ रहा कुछ।
लेकिन क्या बताया जा रहा है कि ट्रेन आएंगी नहीं आएंगी कुछ,
और बारिश भी नहीं है, फिर भी ट्रेन लेट है।
सर आप बताइए, आप कितने टाइम से यहाँ पे खड़े हुए हैं?
1 घंटा हो गया।
1 घंटा। तो क्या कुछ बताया जा रहा है कि ट्रेन आएंगी, कब आएंगी?
कोई पता नहीं है।
आपको कहाँ जाना है?
दीवा जाना है।
दीवा जाना है। और दीवा जाने के लिए क्या ट्रेन, ऐसा अनाउंसमेंट किया गया कि दीवा जाने की ट्रेन कम्प्लीटली बंद है?
आधा 1 घंटा हो गया बंद हो गया।
आप बताइए सर, आप कितनी देर से रुके हुए हैं यहाँ पे और क्या दिक्कतें आ रही है?
ये ट्रेन बहुत लेट है, हम लोग 1 घंटे की देर रुका है।
आपको कहाँ जाना है?
मेरे को जाने का है बॉम्बे सेंट्रल तारदेव।
ओके, लेकिन यहाँ पे कुछ बताया जाए कि कितनी देर में ट्रेन आएंगी, क्या आएगी?
ऐसा कुछ बताया नहीं, इधर कितना बजे आएगा अभी कुछ नहीं, इंडिकेटर भी बंद है।
ओके, तो आप कुछ अनाउंसमेंट किया गया था कि ट्रेन नहीं आ रही है, लेट आ रही है या?
नहीं, ऐसा अनाउंसमेंट कुछ नहीं किया।
सर आप बताइए, आप कब से रुके हो यहाँ पे और क्या दिक्कत है?
I've been here from 8:30. I am trying to go to my office to Lower Parel, and now I'll be going back and working from home. There is no train absolutely, and even if the trains they are coming, they are going to the car shed.
अभी बारिश आ रहा है, अभी बारिश तो नेचर है, उसको आना चाहिए। अभी इतना पानी भर जाएगा तो कभी सोचा नहीं था। अभी बारिश के सामने किसकी चलती नहीं है भाई।
बारिश में कभी गड्ढे विड्ढे भी रहते हैं ना, बरोबर वो कभी किधर गड्ढा आदमी गिर गया, किधर बरोबर वो भी नहीं है ना। अभी आदमी कैसे जाएगा बारिश में? ट्रेन बंद, बस बंद, सब बंद।
अंधेरी से आया मैं बस पकड़ने। अभी तो पानी पूरा भरा हुआ है पूरे रास्ते में, चलने के लिए जगह नहीं है, बीच में से चलना पड़ रहा है।
किस तरह का परेशानी हुई और कहाँ क्या करना चाहिए?
सुविधा होनी चाहिए कुछ अच्छी खासी इसके लिए।
So these are the ground reports that we've been constantly bringing you from various parts of Mumbai, which lays completely submerged, especially the low-lying areas, whether it is Kalina, whether it is Ghatkopar, among the other areas of Mumbai. This is what the situation is looking like. We have our colleagues who are constantly bringing us these ground reports. Remember, it was raining from last night at about 1 a.m. and it rained till 7 this morning. The rainfall was over 300 mm, and that has been predicted by the Met Department that over the next 3 to 4 days as well, this rainfall, the rain showers are going to continue. 1 day of rainfall, in fact, few hours of rainfall, and this is what the situation is in Mumbai. You can see how commuters are very, very badly impacted, whether it is on the roads or even the train lines, Mumbai locals, which is the lifeline of Mumbai, all of the commute has been affected. You have to also understand that this is Monday morning. Everybody is, in fact, getting ready and busy going to work. Some of the people whose voices we just heard, they even mentioned how, despite having attempted to come out of their houses to go to their workplaces, they're having to go back and work from home. That is the kind of situation that we are seeing in Mumbai. Schools have been shut for the first session, and remember, the city has recorded the 300 mm of rainfall, and there is the BMC that's currently monitoring the situation. We also are given to understand that NDRF has been deployed in the state of Maharashtra, and this heavy rainfall is leading to effects on travel, local commute, whether it is the Mumbai locals or even the roads that are being submerged underwater. You can see the car over there on the right side in Matunga. It's completely submerged. That is the level of water that you can see, which is there on the streets. Whether it's Vile Parle, the same story. In Kurla, if you see the locals, even the rail tracks stand submerged, and the railway station that we are reporting from, you can see the people, the amount of people that have been stranded because of the train services that have been impacted due to this. Remember, 90% of the Mumbaikars rely on the Mumbai locals to travel to their respective places of work or even for day-to-day travel. All of that stands impacted. It's still a Monday morning, and this is what the situation is. King Circle, visuals of King Circle, Bhandup, Santa Cruz. You can see the kind of water in Santa Cruz. It's almost knee-deep, and right next to residents of people, and all of that is impacting the common Mumbaikar. King Circle also, you can see people walking in knee-deep water, cars also trying to go ahead and maneuver in the waterlogged streets. However, it's getting exceedingly difficult, and this is what the situation really is looking like in various parts of Mumbai. And this is just from 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. rainfall, and the situation remains like that. What happens the next 3 to 4 days is something that we'd have to wait and watch out for. There'd be special advisories that will be issued for the Mumbaikars and people of Maharashtra in the wake of the coming rainfall, because the downpour is only going to continue for the next 3 to 4 days as per the IMD. Remember, the BMC commissioner is down on the streets. He's monitoring the situation, and the water logging is something that they'd have to brave, and they'd have to see how they are able to drain out the excess water that has in fact led to the water logging. The stormwater drains is something that becomes a problem every monsoon in Mumbai. It's the same situation and same story that gets played out every now and then, and this is a similar scene that we are seeing this monsoon as well. So nothing has changed. It's the ordinary commuter and people, the Mumbaikars, who have been impacted yet again, and they are showing their spirit, but however much can they fight the rainfall is something that we'd have to wait and watch out for. Let me take this across to my colleague Preeti Sompura, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Preeti, which part of Mumbai are you currently at, and what is the situation like?
Well, actually, I am in Bakola area, and like visual behind me, you can see that the big tree fell down on the truck and even some of the private vehicles. More than 3 vehicles has been damaged due to this heavy rainfall in Mumbai, and I will show you the live and exclusive video of this area, and you can see the traffic jam because this tree fell down on the main road. You can see the live visual, like the fire brigade team has already reached here, and now they are cutting these trees. Fire brigade team is cutting down the trees, and you can see the live video at the Bakola because this tree fell down on the cable wire, and one truck and 2 vehicles are already damaged due to this. And in beside this, there are more than 100 calls received by the fire brigade department that more than 100 trees fell down on the main road on MB Street of the Mumbai. You can see the live video, like the tree has fallen down on the main road, and due to this, the entire traffic jam in this part of the Mumbai.
Right. Preeti, I believe it has been raining since 1 a.m. in the morning, and it rained till about 7 this morning. And it is a record rainfall of 300 mm that has been recorded. What is the IMD really saying? And considering even the BMC commissioner is down on the road trying to assess the situation, what is it that the BMC is also planning on doing, considering it's going to rain over the next 3 to 4 days?
Yeah, the maximum city capacity of the rainfall is around 100 mm to 150 millimeter. But since yesterday night from 1 a.m. till 7 a.m. the rain has started, and it has recorded more than 300 millimeter of rainfall in maximum city. So now the BMC commissioner is also on the road and he's taking a review, because like since last 2 hours the rain has stopped, but many parts of the Mumbai is still under water, especially in the Lincoln Road, SC Road, Algeri subway and Malad subway are totally closed. And we can see that lots of tree has also fallen down on the main road. So now the fire brigade team has reached and they are cutting down the street. And due to this, lots of traffic jam on the streets of Mumbai. Besides this, now the railway is also affected, especially the Central Railway, Western Railway and Harbour Railway. And not only this, but outbound railway station and especially the long distance trains are also badly affected due to the heavy rainfall in Mumbai.
Right. Preeti, I request you to stay on with us and stay safe out there. Yesha Kotak is also live with us from Chembur area of Mumbai. Yesha, I'd like to understand from you, what is the situation in Chembur looking like?
So yes, as of now, of course, the rains have subsided here since the last couple of hours. In fact, ever since 7 a.m. we see that rains have really stopped. Though some low-lying areas, there is a bit of water which is now subsiding. Some low-lying areas have had waterlogging. In fact, because it was a heavy rain right from 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. was where there was more than 300 meters of mm of water that was in fact recorded. But most of the low-lying areas, now the water is receding, in fact, for that matter. Several areas right from Kurla to Chembur, several low-lying areas had experienced waterlogging, which is where we also saw that BMC had announced that schools be shut.
Yes.
In fact, we have the school right here, 2 schools right here which have also been declared shut. Most of these are government schools, in fact, and these government schools have all been asked to stay shut until the first half. You also see that because of heavy rains, there was some trees which had fallen, which have now been kept aside. But these schools will remain shut for the first half depending on the rain situation. In fact, as of now, according to IMD, it's been expected that there will be heavy to very heavy rains. Though it's not raining since the last it's not raining since the last couple of hours. But for the first half, the schools and colleges have been asked to stay shut, and BMC would take a call on the second half, that is post 12, only after reviewing the situation in the next couple of hours.
Yes, sure. You are a Mumbaikar. Every monsoon, Mumbai has a similar story to tell. What do you think goes wrong with Mumbai, especially these low-lying areas? And for people who do not reside in Mumbai, explain to us, what is the impact like as compared to these low-lying areas and the other parts of Mumbai? Is it only because of a problem with the stormwater drainage, that's the waterlogging that we see over there, or there are other issues that in fact affect these low-lying areas?
So, when you speak of these low-lying areas, the problem is that when there's a heavy rain, of course, there are huge pumps that are installed by BMC. In fact, when we were just at a railway station very close to this, in fact, we Chembur. So we were at Ghatpur railway station this morning. It is, in fact, one of the busiest railway stations when you understand for the morning hours, because that's where the metro gets connected. Now, the problem here is that considering that there are several Mumbaikars who step out on street every morning. The problem is with heavy rains, several of these low-lying areas get waterlogged. What happens after that is the commute eventually gets affected. Of course, several of these low-lying areas, BMC is working on them. Now, if you compare the situation to what used to happen 5 years or 10 years back, the situation is way different. There were several pockets right from Hind Mata to, for that matter, Sion, Gandhi Market, all of these areas were the areas which used to be waterlogged massively. Now, the level at which the water recedes there has, of course, gotten better. There have been huge pumps that have been installed at all of those places. This is just to ensure that the water drains out quickly. When you speak of these particular areas, of course, measures are being put into place to ensure that the water drains out quickly. But what happens next is the commute is eventually affected, considering there is water on the tracks, on the railway tracks, is where you see that that people are stuck on the platforms. Some of whom, in fact, opt to go by road, eventually leading to the commute being affected across the city. Now, Mumbai, for that matter, is a vertical city. If you understand, northbound, southbound, and the commute is a longer stretch. It's not a round city. It's broad. When it's long by the length, and which is where the commute becomes eventually an issue. And some of these low-lying areas, because the areas are at a level lower than the other parts of the city, is where the water in fact gets accumulated, which is a problem for the BMC. They have to work hours to drain out that water from those very areas.